Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 days challenge. This is day 904, so let's get things started. Just a very quick run through around the board itself. So on the US equity market, on the weekly chart, we definitely do see a very nice kind of a potential close, especially for Nasdaq, but not so much for S&P 500. But the key thing is that we do find potential support over here. And secondly, of the fact that the distance from here to here, the retest of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly chart is getting closer in terms of the time interval itself. So the last time we actually near these two tests, and then the following week took us 15 bars, which is like 15 weeks, or that is tentatively close to more than 4 months or close to 4 months itself. Whereas for this particular retest, actually is a difference of only 7 bars itself. So definitely half the period of time showing signs of weakness in this downslope kind of a trend line, and it will be a very good opportunity to break towards the upside in that sense. And similar case scenario for Nasdaq, we also do see in terms of the frequency of this downslope trend line, and the fact that we could actually manage to close above the big 200 exponential moving average and simple moving average on the weekly chart, and also the 20 exponential moving average. So all these just points to a very good sign of strength, especially if we will continue momentum for this coming week. However, if we do have a shift of momentum back towards the downside, then this candle and the strength of it will be invalidated itself. So definitely a very short time frame for this candlestick to fulfill the prophecy in that sense. All right, and then for China equity market itself, ASUSHA definitely looks to be really strong right now, but climbing quite nicely above. We haven't seen signs of exhaustion on the weekly chart yet. On the daily chart, I did mention that there was a potential signs of a rejection, but until we follow through, which it didn't, we will definitely still lean towards the upside. And in terms of upside wise, we have this $32 region itself, followed by this $34 region itself as the next level of resistance. All right, in the case of the KY-wise, I did mention that right now we're still tentatively very clear bullish side, especially when price is above the 20 exponential moving average, and the 20 exponential moving average is also sloping towards the upside. So this is a very kind of strong kind of strength in terms of momentum and interest in the market itself. And then finally for Bitcoin itself, it actually makes an unexpected move for yesterday itself, because if you do realize, it was actually in the last 4 hours that we were this decisive break. So it was from 4 a.m. and then we very decisive break towards the upside, and that itself is actually carrying through the momentum. But the thing I do not like is the fact that even though we are trying to climb to the upside, you can see very clear rejection, rejection, and rejection, and the volume is doing the itself. So this just goes to show that there is a lack of buying pressure, and it's more towards the lack of a selling pressure in that sense, rather than the strong buying pressure. And personally, for price to go towards upside, of course, you can have also the lack of selling pressure itself that results in price pushing upwards. But for more sustainable growth, we definitely do more and more buying interest rather than less selling interest in that sense, even though both of which works in tandem in that sense. All right, so for me, I don't have any trade in terms of forward wise, because I did mention that over here, we have a potential false break and we rejected, so I actually closed the trade upon here itself. So it wasn't a tight enough kind of a stop loss, and I also didn't want to enter on the weekend trade itself simply because of the volume uncertainty itself. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.